God, you call me by my name. The love you give me, I just can't deny. Yeah.
Hey y'all, welcome back to Birthmas Day 3. And as you guys can see today, we are doing some DIY clusters. We're saving some coins, okay? So what you're gonna need is obviously your clusters, your glue, tweezers, some makeup wipes, and definitely a mirror. I have mine in front of me. So I'm starting out with wiping all of my excess makeup, glue, whatever it is off of my lids. You want your lashes to be completely clean and free of anything, okay? And then once your lashes are clean, you're going to use the clusters of your choice. I get mine from the beauty supply store. And I like to use this super stronghold clear adhesive. This is the Eye Envy. And let me tell you something. My friend put me onto this. If you have sensitive eyes, you need to use this. So I start out with a little bit under my lash, basically kind of like the size of the cluster. And you have to let it dry for at least 15 to 20 seconds. I'm telling y'all, because if you don't, you're going to squeeze it and your lash is going to pick up with the tweezer. I know because I happen to be thirsty sometimes and I try to squeeze it before it's time. So even though this isn't my first time, I still slip up and do this. So definitely wait that 15 to 20 seconds. So you're going to apply it right under your lash line, and you're going to see, for me personally, I like to squeeze it after with my fingers so I can feel like it's just more secure. And I like to apply my first layer in like gaps, as you can see. So I do 2 layers. I apply my first layer in gaps because when I go in for the second layer, it's going to make it more full and really look like I just freshly got my lashes done. Like, I like my lashes to be full. I like it to look, you know, very voluminous and not like cheap or anything. So I like to do 2 layers, and you guys are going to see the difference. So that's layer 1. And then I'm going to go in between the gaps and I'm going to fill it in with more. And once I fill it in, literally the transformation that you are going to see, I honestly always recommend like doing a second layer. It just brings that extra pizzazz to your lid. So once the gaps is filled up, I still like to just apply some where I feel like it could use a little bit of more volume, you know, just to really bring like my eyes together and just, like I said, make that voluminous look like I just walked straight out of the salon or wherever I got my lashes done. So I just really like for it to look wispy too, like natural volumed wispy kind of look. I don't know, but y'all feel me what I'm saying. And then I secure the whole lash line by just squeezing all the clusters together, like from the beginning of my eye to the end. And look at the difference, y'all. Look at that. Oh my gosh, they just look so good. And honestly, they last me a while. So thank you guys for watching. Let me know what you guys think down below. Love you.